Oh wow, the volume is so loud I can't even hear myself. Hold on. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna play Roblox because I feel like a lot of you have been waiting long enough for sorry, what was I gonna say? A gaming video. So I'm playing Roblox High School, and I'm gonna get a coffee because, you know, why not? Get out of the chair! Gosh, you lazy. Heyo, welcome to Sunbox Cafe. How can I help you? Can I get a job here? Absolutely. We'd love to have you help us out. Begin. Okay, so I'm just gonna mess around and stuff. You have begun a part-time job. Complete the tasks assigned to you. Want to finish your job? Get to options. Cancel job. Okay. Oops. Cheerleader in club. Okay. I'm trying to run. It's really difficult because it's hard to get over there because I can barely see myself. Here, let me zoom in so we can see like first person practically. Hi, here's your food. Wee. Let's go. Or do you guys want to see like this? I don't really care how you guys see it. It's up to y'all. Sorry about that pop-up. Let me get rid of that pop-up. Uh-oh. Okay, sorry. Looks like it's gonna be right there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go deliver this item. And then I think we're just gonna mess around for a little bit. How's that sound? Here you go. Goodbye. I need to spawn my car. Hold on. By the way, I don't have a lot of money right now. See, like I only have 49. So I'm gonna just spawn my car. Let's just spawn my car right here, and you drive. Sorry, I know the car's pretty slow. That's one thing that I really hate about this car, because it's so slow. So let's go get the item. Now, where do let's make a quick U-turn. It's going to be a little difficult to turn. Don't! Excuse you! Did I tell you you could hit me? No, I didn't. So, get your manners straight. I'm probably going to upload a video of me playing Bloxburg, too. So, because I have something in my eye. I haven't played Bloxburg in, like, forever. And also because Bloxburg. I can't talk. Bloxburg is a really good game to play. Let me just deliver this. Here's your food. Goodbye. Gotta get back to work.
You're gonna fall.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Okay, just fall.
I'm just trying to work, okay? I don't want to hurt anyone. I can't drive. Oh, hey, I can see how much money I have in the top right corner. I'm stupid. By the way, if the audio is bad, I'm really, really sorry. I don't have a good, like, recording microphone set up. But for Christmas, what I'd really like is, like, a good recording, get out of my face. Gosh. Sorry, I have these pop-ups that come from GameKit because yeah. Chef Umbra's. Let's just talk about how weird Chef Umbra's really is. split 50 seconds. Like, what was even the purpose of this freaking restaurant? Was it to, like, murder us all? Okay. Here's your food. Oh, wrong seat. Sorry, y'all. Drive. Okay. Get out of my way, or I'm gonna run you over. Not you, Mom. Sorry, my mom was over here when I said that, and I was like, wait, no, not you. No, I can't accept friend requests right now. I'll accept them later. Oh, I have $73. I'm gonna keep working this off. I'm gonna record a second video of me playing this because I don't have a... Serious? Okay. Ooh, this one goes fast. That one's really good. Let's deliver this order, cause... Do I have to... I think I have to go this way. I don't know. Let's go do this last delivery. Yeah. Shooting stars have just fallen in the forest. I can't talk. Forest, that's really cool. I haven't played this game before. I've only ever played the first version. I think we have a little time. Oh, gosh. I really wish I could stop getting in this car. Okay. Once I have enough money, we're gonna get another car because, sis, this car is not it. Also, after this, I'm really gonna play Bloxburg because I got it when I had Robux, but I wasted all my Robux, so we're not buying any more game passes. Also, sis, nice car. Oh, hey, I was going in the right direction. Sorry.
You're typing blending songs.
We just talk about how, like, annoying life is right now. You guys can't hear my game audio. You can only see my screen. But if you could hear my game audio, sis, you would not like it. After this, we are so done. Like, so done. Is there any... Hold on. Now we can just go home. That is, if I can even remember where my home is. It's 2:37 a.m. and I was Do not. I'm gonna crash into you. Okay. Sorry, I'm sick. I'm not supposed to yell. It hurts my throat. Let's drive home. Speaking of home, I have no idea where my home is. Please move out of the way. I don't want to run you over. I think my home was like over here.
No, make me stop. I was stuck.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. By the way, I still don't have enough. Let's shop for furniture because, sis, I'm poor. That's a love seat? I thought that was a bed. Oh, that pisses me off. Because now I feel like I just wasted money. Which one's bigger, this room or this room? That room. Inventory. Furniture. No, don't sell. How do I equip? I don't know how to equip. How exactly do I equip it?
For blending apples. For blending. The blender. The blender.
Okay, sis, this poem is boring. I don't even know how to equip. Can someone tell me how to equip this? Do I equip it like this? How do I equip? Guys, I'll be right back. Okay, so I couldn't find out how to equip the furniture, so instead we're just gonna wait until passing time and go to cooking. Because that's what a lame sister does. We're just gonna wait till passing time.
Blending people.
This is gonna take forever to upload, I just realized that, because it's gonna be 15 minutes long. And do not come towards me, I will rip your throat off. I'm too cute for you. I'm too mean. Okay, is she following me? No.
Honey, I put the phone down on the table. Go ahead and grab it, honey. And please calm down.
We're just gonna wait until passing time, and we're gonna go to cooking, like I said. Go.
Always blenders. Why is everybody a bouncer? Oh, no bouncers bouncing on there. Thinking is too easy to bounce.
Move.
Yeah, you typed it in wrong.
No, I didn't, Christian. I typed it in right.
Move. Move.
Why?
Barry. Move.
I'm hungry, Mama.
Okay, I'm gonna get you guys your Lunchables.
I got an A+. I got a B. Cool. I'm just gonna go wait in the gymnasium, honestly. Hold on. Wait, no, my recording is almost up. Okay, I gotta go. I will record again. I will see you guys later. Goodbye. I love you all, and have an amazing day. Bye, my little alienators.